Are you looking to enhance focus while problem solving or want to manifest dreams into reality? Or are you looking for that crystal that will help you balance and protect your energy? Then fluorite is the stone for you. This amazing crystal helps to absorb and neutralize negative energies, clears overwhelming emotions, boosts creativity, and it also assists with spiritual development. Has a calming and grounding properties that can bring peace of mind, clarity, and focus. Meditating with fluorite enhances mental clarity, concentration, focus, and helps with decision making. We suggest placing a small piece of fluorite on your third eye to help intensify meditation and provide clarity throughout it. Fluorite can also be used as a meditation tool to enhance your intuition to seek out a higher truth. It helps to gain insight into deeper aspects of yourself and the universe. And fluorite is also an excellent stone for dream recall and astral travel. Wearing fluorite jewelry is believed to improve mental clarity and lower stress and anxiety levels. Its ability to increase intuition and creativity is said to enhance concentration and decision-making on all levels. With fluorite's powerful ability to absorb and dissipate negative energies, you can feel grounding and focusing on your goals easier. We suggest wearing a fluorite bracelet on your non-dominant left wrist to help protect from negative energies. Visualize yourself releasing all negativity within and replacing it with love and light. Use fluorite when you want to manifest something, as fluorite is a great stone to work with for encouraging wishes. It can help bring dreams into reality. Use fluorite when you feel stuck or struggling to make progress towards your goals, as it can provide clarity and focus when necessary to move forward. Hold a piece of fluorite in your dominant hand and say what you would like to manifest out loud 3 times, and then follow up with saying, "May my wish come true," 9 times. Carry a fluorite tumbled stone with you throughout the day to help keep a calm mind, improve focus, and enhance creativity. Fluorite is believed to help with emotional healing, aiding in the release of negative emotions and traumas that hold us back. Some people prefer to carry it during times of stress or anxiety, while others find it helpful to wear with it during meditation or spiritual practices. Place a piece of fluorite next to your bed or at your desk to help with focusing. You can also place a piece of fluorite in the 4 corners of your home to create a protective shield against negative energies. Placing it on the windowsill will help protect your home from outside influences. For protection during your sleep, place a piece of fluorite under your pillow. This will keep away all bad energy that may disrupt your sleep and dreams. Lastly, you can use fluorite to cleanse your aura and environment. Place some of these pieces in certain areas of your house or office and it will clear out all these bad vibes. It is important to cleanse fluorite regularly as it absorbs energy. I would not cleanse or place your fluorite in water, or even more specifically salt water. We suggest using the smoke cleansing method. We do not recommend using salt to cleanse your piece, as it has the possibility of chipping or eroding your fluorite piece over time.